Hi, today I am going to show you how to solve problems related to heat by using simple tips. Let us take any question. How much heat is absorbed or released when 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees turn to steam at 100 degrees centigrade? Whatever may be the question, first do the analysis. Heat change occurs only under two conditions. When there is a change in the phase of matter, that is from solid to liquid or liquid to gas, or vice versa, gas to liquid or liquid to solid, you will use the formula Q is equal to mL, where L is the latent heat of the solid or latent heat of vapor. And the second thing is change in temperature. For example, 0 to 100 degrees or 50 to 40 degrees, anything. You use the formula Q is equal to mS delta T, where m is the mass of the substance, S specific heat of the substance, delta T change in the temperature. Now, once again check the question. How much heat is absorbed or released when 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees turns to steam at 100 degrees centigrade? 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees to steam at 100 degrees centigrade. As far as the analysis, we have discussed phase change from solid to liquid or liquid to gas or vice versa, gas to liquid, liquid to solid. We use the formula Q is equal to mL. L is latent heat. And the second one is temperature change. We use Q is equal to mS delta T. Ice, which is in solid form at 0 degrees, changes to steam at 100 degrees volume. Ice does not directly convert into steam. It has to convert into water and then into vapor. This is the two phase changes we have to notice. Ice to water and water to vapor. Two phase changes. And regarding the temperature change, water at 0 degrees is changing into 100 degrees centigrade. This is the temperature change. This is third one. We have to calculate two phase changes and one temperature change. I write it again clearly. Ice at 0 degrees centigrade changes to water at 0 degrees centigrade. Then it converts into water at 100 degrees centigrade and then to vapor at 100 degrees centigrade. And ice to water is a phase change. Water to water is a temperature change. And water to vapor is a phase change. 1, 2 and 3. We have to do 3 calculations for the heat transforms. First, Q1 is a phase change. You use the formula mL, where m is given to be 1 gram of ice and latent heat of ice is 80 calories per gram, and 1 into 80 is equal to 80 calories. Now getting into second change, Q2. It is a temperature change. We use the formula mS delta T, where m is 1 gram, S is specific heat of water, that is equal to 1 calorie per gram degree centigrade, and delta T change in temperature, 100 minus 0 equal to 100 degrees. And 1 into 100, 100 calories. And Q3. Again, this one is a phase change. You have to use the formula mL. Q3 is equal to mL, where m is again 1 gram of water and L is latent heat of vaporization of water, 540 calories that is. So 1 into 540, that's equal to 540 calories. total heat is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. That is equal to 80 plus 100 plus 540. Total gives rise to 720 calories. Just remember two things: phase change, temperature change. Thanks for viewing my channel. If you like it, please share to the needed students and make them subscribe. Post a comment.